Everyone thinks the best-selling torch for soldering copper pipes is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Syndico Butane Torch. First up is the Syndico Butane Torch, priced at $17.99. What really caught my attention here is its visible fuel window and adjustable flame features. If you want ease of use and a solid performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable flame can reach up to 1,300 degrees C, perfect for soldering copper pipes without any hassle. Plus, that visible fuel window means you won't be caught off guard during a project, allowing for 20-50 minutes of use per refill. Now, some people complained about the torch feeling a bit flimsy over time. Here's the thing though, as long as you handle it with care and follow the instructions, it should serve you well for various tasks from crafting to cooking. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for an affordable yet reliable torch. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty professional work. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if the Syndico's build quality concerns you, the next product might offer a sturdier option. Product number 2, QWORK Torch Tips. Next, we have the QWORK Torch Tips for $22.21. Its unique 360-degree swivel tips caught my eye. If you want something that's flexible and easy to use, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters. The enhanced maneuverability means you can easily access those tricky spots when soldering pipes. With a 4.5-star rating from over 700 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its efficiency. However, some users mention that it can sometimes get a bit too hot to handle. But honestly, that just makes sense for a tool designed to melt metal. If you're careful and know what you're doing, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is ideal for you if you often work in tight spaces. Skip this if you prefer a traditional torch without the swivel feature. Overall, it's a solid choice for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing a more powerful solution. Product number 3, RTTOOA Propane Torch Head. At number 3 is the RTTOOA Propane Torch Head, retailing at $32.68. What impressed me here is the ergonomic design combined with its high output of 10,000 BTU. If you want a powerful torch that's easy to handle, this one's a must-see. This torch delivers a stable flame with a built-in pressure regulator, ensuring reliable ignition every time. It's versatile enough for soldering copper pipes up to 3-4 inches and even works for cooking or heat shrinkage. With a 4.4-star rating from 2,200 users, it's a popular choice too. Now, some users reported issues with the trigger mechanism wearing out over time. But here's the thing, regular maintenance and proper care can extend its lifespan significantly. This is perfect for you if you're a serious DIYer or a professional needing consistent performance. Skip this if you're only looking for a torch for occasional use. The investment is worth it for the power and reliability. Now, if you're looking for something that offers even more flexibility, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, TAUSOM Propane Torch Hose Kit. Fourth on the list is the TAUSOM Propane Torch Hose Kit, priced at $39.98. What grabbed my attention is its impressive hose length of 3.6 feet. If you want a torch that gives you extra reach, this one is a great option. This kit connects easily to standard propane or MAPP gas cylinders and delivers heat up to 3,600 degrees F. The ergonomic grip also makes it super comfortable to use, reducing the risk of burns while you work. With a solid rating of 4.2 stars from 1,200 reviews, it's proven itself. Some users did mention that the assembly could be a bit tricky, but I'll be real with you, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward and worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you often work on larger projects that require mobility. Skip this if you prefer a more compact torch. For the features it offers, the price is reasonable. Now, if you want something more compact without sacrificing power, let's talk about our final pick. Product number 5, DOMINOX Propane Torch Head. Finally, we have the DOMINOX Propane Torch Head at $29.59. This one stood out because of its high-intensity features and ease of use. If you want a reliable torch that's easy to ignite, you should definitely check this out. This torch provides a maximum temperature of 2,372 degrees F, which is perfect for soldering copper pipes. Plus, it's got a simple trigger start, making lighting it a breeze. With a rating of 4 stars from over 1,700 reviews, users find it very user-friendly. A few people noted that it lacks some sturdiness in the handle, but honestly, if you're careful, it shouldn't impact your experience too much. This is great if you're a hobbyist looking for a dependable tool at a good price. Skip this if you need something for heavy industrial use. Overall, it's a strong contender for anyone in need of a reliable soldering torch. So there you have it. The Syndico is perfect for ease of use. QWORK offers flexibility in tight spots, RTTOOA excels in power, TAUSOM gives you reach, and DOMINOX shines with simplicity. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.